This place is called Dasmarinas City Park. Wow. I'll go across the street. See the penguins? See the penguins? Wow. Guys, we're just walking around Dasmarinas City Park because later on tonight I'm going to be filming Kadiwa Park. And at this point, they're still not allowing kids under 18 to go into the park, so I'm gonna have to go in by myself. You see that? So at least people can see the little animal sculptures that they have out here of the city park. That's a peacock. That's a peacock. Oh, his head's all broken up. They need to fix this stuff. Look, it's a koala bear. And those are parrots. Parrots. Okay. Over here. Let's see what we're gonna go on the bridge. You see the bridge up there? Bridge up ahead. Let me go in front of you guys. So. Oh, look, there's an alligator. You see the alligator in the water? Alligators. They're feeding the fish in here. A lot of fish in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. You see the fish? Wow. There's a alligator over there. See the alligator? Whoa. You want to go upstairs? that is. That's a camel. That's a donkey. That's a donkey right there. Uh-oh, come on, walk. Uh-oh, you don't want to walk. What's that? What's that? Gonna go under this tunnel straight ahead. There's an eagle. That's an eagle right there. Whoa, there's a water buffalo. Oh no, that's a hippopotamus. That's a hippopotamus. You see? You see the hippopotamus, Pippa? Wow. That's a turtle. That's a big turtle. Wow. Let's go inside the tunnel. Whoa. Cool. So guys, this is like a free public park. Anyone can access it. I don't really see that they have a good parking area here because we tried to park, but they didn't have any parking spaces, so they allowed me to park on the street that says no parking. You having fun, baby? That is, what does it say? That says, as an adducts. Oh, you see the snake? You see the snake? Whoa. Snake. So we were here before, but we're just, and we're on the other side. There's two sides to it. That's an ostrich. That's an ostrich. Whoa, you see the fish? Wow. See the fish? See a little bit. Really small. Little cat, they're like tadpoles. guys. Where we're at right here. DC Park. Dasmarinas City Park. Dasmarinas City Park. Catch you guys later.